Hi and welcome to Java step by step learning tutorial and Anand Kaushik this side. So today we are going to talk about some very basic things in Java. So let's begin. The very first question that is asked in Java is why did Java became popular? The basic reason of that is it's a platform independent language. What is in platform independent language? Let's see with the help of an example. Like if you take a code or language like C or C++, you write in top of the Windows operating system. So C or C the code will make the use of Windows operating system resources to run the program. And on the other hand, if you write C or C++ code the top of the Linux operating system or Linux operating system which is used in Apple, it will make use of the resources of Linux operating system to run the code. And if I want to take this C++ code to this code, which means this Windows code to this Linux code, I can't do that. Why? Because this code is based on the operating system of Windows and here it is based on the operating system of Linux. So this is called an platform dependent language. So how Java become platform independent? Let's see. They make the Java platform independent because they add on the another layer to Java which is known as the Java Virtual Machine or the JVM. So what JVM does is it take the Java code and compile the Java code. Here the Windows operating system is not compiling the code. Java Virtual Machine is compiling the code. So they made the Java Virtual Machine for both the Windows or the Linux. So what is the process here? Let's talk about the process here. So here you write a code in Java. That code will jump into the Java Virtual Machine for Windows. It will take the resources from this Java Virtual Machine and then it goes to the operating system to run the code. And similarly in the Linux also, you write the code on Java, then the JVM for Linux compile it and then it will go to the Linux operating system for running. So here if you want to run this code of Java which you have written in Windows operating system, you can easily run this code in Linux operating system too because Java Virtual Machine are present in both. So this is all for today. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe our channel for more content and the like aim on this video is 100 like. So please go and like this video. It's Anand Kaushik signing off.